Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into Facebook. Choose the device that's easiest. Once logged in, open Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Next, navigate to Personal Information or Contact Info. That section lists your phone numbers. You're doing this to find the exact entry tied to your account. Make sure to confirm you're in your main profile, because business pages use different controls. Now locate the phone number you plan to remove and get ready to edit it. Now tap the phone entry to open editing options. You'll see Remove or Delete. Choose Remove and follow on-screen prompts. Facebook may ask for your password. If prompted, complete identity verification so the change is authorized. Once done, the number is disassociated from your account, which prevents recovery via that number. Make sure to remove it from other linked services or two-factor settings first, because otherwise Facebook might react. Finish by checking contact info to confirm the phone number is gone. Refresh the page to be sure. Then review security and log in to update two-factor authentication or recovery contacts so you don't lock yourself out. If Facebook won't remove the number, clear your browser cache or app data and try again, or sign out and back in. If problems persist, you may need to use Facebook Help to report an account issue. Keep proof of identity ready if asked.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.